Hello automators, thanks for tuning in again. It's time for the latest smart home news here on April 1st. Now, of course, we always like to save you time and money, so we're not going to waste your time with any sort of fake news today. Right off the bat, I'm going to talk to you about something new from Samsung. Now, we all know that their Bixby voice assistant has struggled with uptake in the market, and so they want to get more users utilizing their voice assistants. Now, in order to do that, what they've done is they've gone out and identified a new market to go ahead and try and attack. So they've come out with the new Bixby voice assistant. Now, Bixby works with your dog and it allows you to get things like thoughts from your dog about what they'd like to eat and pooping notifications. What do you want to eat?
Pizza.
Okay.
Thank you, George.
Oh, Bixby. Thanks for the notification. Amazon has released 672 new products that include their voice assistant on board with it. This is a massive introduction and they're intended to take over both your bathroom and anywhere you cook or clean, really. Now, some of the featured products are an enabled toothbrush. Start. As well as an enabled barbecue that will only light up with one command, which is light that bitch up. And my personal favorite is the enabled oven that will light up no matter what you say to it, because the voice assistant can't understand a thing that you're saying. Stop. 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 Uh-oh. Now, we all know Google and Nest had a little issue here a while ago where they had basically forgotten that there was a microphone on the Nest Guard. And so that turned it into really what is a Google Home Mini once they admitted that that was sitting there. Now, we don't know how they forgot, but unfortunately this has happened to them again. And there is actually a camera here on the Google Home Hub, but it is only enabled after you ask the Google Home Hub to play some of your favorite adult entertainment.
Hey, show me some bad videos.
Also, on that note, Google has said, or they've come out and stated that they are tired of hearing your feedback and all of your suggestions for all these little intricate things that you'd like to have happen with your Google Home. So you're in for a bit of a nasty surprise the next time you ask to send feedback to Google.
Send feedback to Google.
We here at Google are really tired of hearing about all of your little whines and issues, and we'd like you to just stop.
A little while ago, and you might not know this, Philips Hue actually went out and changed their name to Signify. Now, what they finally have figured out is that nobody likes that name, and everybody liked Philips Hue just fine. It was a great name. So they've gone out and they've done some customer research or some research with their existing customers, and what they've come to realize is the best name for the company would be Expensify. Now, unfortunately for them, Nest and Sonos had already put in applications to trademark that name, whereas Apple had gone out and tried to trademark a new product line of home automation equipment that was called Only for the Wealthy. A news report that was just put out actually states that there are over 1 billion different companies from China trying to sell you the exact same Wi-Fi smart plug and the exact same Wi-Fi light bulb. All of these companies have done no additional work. They've connected it to the same application, and I'm talking about real news. IKEA has come out with a new home automation lineup called Dumbass, and this product, which is an actual name for an IKEA product at one time, is intended to help you automate your life by explaining some of the complex tasks that you have when you're working with either IKEA furniture in your home or you're just planning to start building that IKEA furniture. Now, of course, those complex tasks involve things like making their tables actually stable and also sitting on their couches without instantly ruining the cushions underneath you, as well as giving you instructions for how to put together their furniture without you ending up with extra pieces all the time. All right, everyone, obviously we're having a little fun here today. All of these companies are doing great things, and I will bring you a brand new smart home news, updates, and features video here in the coming weeks. And you will see more from us about all of our favorite smart home products and how to integrate them into your life to create time, save money, and really automate your life. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.